Dodo Kids!
Zach's just a little guy. So how'd he end up with best friends who are giants? There's Maddox, who loves to lick and lick. Then Madison, who's more of the you can ride on my back type. And last but not least, meet Major. Zach loves his pal Major. You wouldn't expect these big dogs and that little squirrel to be so close, but they're basically each other's family. And of course, best animal friends. It all started when Zach was rescued after a big hurricane. He was so tiny that his eyes were still closed. Baby squirrels can't open their eyes until they're about a month old. Even though Zach was too little to see, he had it pretty good. He was fed by a specially made bottle. And watching over him night and day were his future best friends, Maddox and Madison. Can you imagine what little Zach thought when he finally opened his eyes and saw these two? He was probably like, "Why are you licking my head?" Soon, Zach realized that licking was Maddox's way of saying hi. It didn't take long before Zach was running the show. He'd jump on everybody. Squirrels are excellent jumpers. The dogs just loved little Zach. And Zach, well, he loved them right back. "Hey, look at me! I'm a dog hat!" Then one day, Zach looked up, and instead of 2 dogs, there were 3. Major was just a puppy. Zach remembered what it was like to be a baby squirrel in a new home. So now it was Zach's turn to welcome a new baby to the family. Since then, Zach's always been there to watch over Major and show him the ropes. Like how to eat nuts at their special spot by the window. Zach will do this thing where he'll crack open a little nut, take a little taste, and then throw the rest on the floor for Major to lick up. It's really weird. Zach shows Major how to dive into the curtains and tries to teach him how to climb. Hey, wait, can dogs even do that? But Zach always comes back down to hang out with his furry friend and to give him a major kiss. These two guys do pretty much everything together now. Major follows him around the house and tries to keep up with Zach, who's like really fast. They chase each other and goof off and sometimes do each other's nails. And watching over always are the big dogs. Maddox and Madison are right there for their little brothers. That's just how families work. And this animal pack will always be family and best animal friends.
Dodo Kids!
Like, comment, and subscribe.